both sum, it is just slightly different. Why? Because the first item given over there is called as adjusted purchases. So if you find this item in the sum, you need not write closing stock. Closing stock, you can just leave it off. Even if you have written in the format, you have to put 0 over there. You won't write 7,000. Okay, so that is the twist in adjusted purchases. So whenever you have adjusted purchases, closing stock will become 0 or don't write it at all. So other than that, if you go through this is about Victor, and they've asked us to do trading account for December 31st, 2017. They've given octroi, cost of goods manufactured, royalty, sales, closing, carriage inwards, import duty, dock charges, etc. etc. So what we are going to do, first we are going to start with the heading over here. So trading account of Mr. Victor for the year ended 1/12/2017. Now write the format. By now you can leave off date itself. Just start off with particulars. So particulars, amount, particulars, amount and amount. Right? And you can start with the 11 items. 9 on the debit side, 2 on the credit side. So first one, 2 opening stock. 2, it won't be purchases, it will be adjusted purchases. So that alone you must remember. Adjusted purchases. Then, now comes your expenses. So 2 wages, 2 octroi, 2 dock duty or dock charges, 2 import duty, 2 cost of goods manufactured, 2 royalty, 2 carriage or freight inwards. So all the 9 items this side over. Now on the credit side is just the 2 items, that is buy, sales. And in this sum we know closing stock is not going to come because they have given you adjusted purchases. So you need not write closing stock at all. So after you finish all these items, leave 1, 2 or 3 lines and draw the grand total already, and you can keep it. So let's go to the sum and fill it in. So first one they have given is adjusted purchases 80,000. So come back here and put it in the outer column as 80,000. The second item written on the debit side, adjusted purchases. And what you got? You got sales 90,000. So go to the credit side. The only item on the credit side is sales. So put 90,000 over there for sales. Sales we have royalty on purchase of goods 4,000. So we've written royalty, right? So that's 4,000. Now everything will come on the outer column only. Nothing will go to the inner column, because when we saw sales also, you should have seen that there was no sales return or purchase return in the sum. So everything goes off to the outer column. So after royalty, the next one is octroi. So octroi is 2,000. So come here and put 2,000. Next we have cost of goods manufactured 5,000. So cost of goods manufactured 5,000. Then closing stock will not come. So ignore, skip. Carriage inwards 3,000. So carriage inwards 3,000. Import duty 6,000. So import duty here is 6,000. Then we have dock charges 5,000. So dock charges 5,000. Now the other items which are not there. So with that it's over. From the problem we've taken everything. So the other items which is not there, that is opening stock 0. Wages 0. So these are the 2 items which is not there. Just put a 0 for it. So now you must get the debit side total. So if you add it up, you'll get 1,05,000. credit side, if you see, it's only one item over there, which is 90,000. So which will come on the grand total here? Put 1,05,000 in the grand total on both the sides. Now which side is the least? Is it the debit or the credit? Credit side is the least. So come to the credit side. Okay, you have only sales over there, which is 90,000. So credit side is the least, mean is going to be a gross profit or a gross loss. Gross loss carried down, transferred to profit and loss account. Right, so now we have to find the answer by subtracting it. So 1,05,000 minus 90,000, how much you get? Subtract it. Loss, put that there, 15,000. That's all is the answer.